For this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a project and import Java files into a project in BlueJ. Okay. So I'm going to use for this the student files for the 11s, the first activity in the 11s project. So the first thing I need to do is create a new project. And since this is part of the 11s activity, I'm going to call it 11s 1 because it's activity 1. Let's call it activity 1. And click OK. So now if I go to Finder, okay, there's a couple ways that we can do this. One is I can find the code for this. So I'm going to navigate to where I've got these student files. Actually, I think I've got them all in here. Go to the starter code for activity 1. I have these 2 Java files. So anytime you have Java files, what you can do, any file that you need sort of in the folder where this exists, we can copy these and paste them in Finder. But a nice thing about BlueJ is an easy way to do it is I can just drag and drop, and drag and drop. Okay. And now the code is available to be worked on in BlueJ. Now, some code sometimes needs some other types of files, maybe a sound file or a text file. In that case, I would actually need to use Finder if this 11's activity needed to access some sort of image file or text file. Then I would need to actually navigate to where I have saved my Java programs. As soon as I create the project in BlueJ, okay, it creates a folder for it, and then now I can drag and drop any other text files or image files or sound files that this is going to access, and I would just need to put them in this same folder where the project actually lives. But for most of what we're doing, we just need to add the .java, the code files, and that's simply find them in Finder, drag them into the BlueJ window, and you're all set.